And that's how you get rid of sod. You guys are weird. On this project, we have a customer that wants to rip out his lawn and install a Xerascape. Instead of ripping up the entire lawn, we just went around the outer perimeter and pulled the sod back about 3 foot. Then we unrolled large rolls of the polyweave fabric on top of the lawn. And then we spread gravels on top of the polyweave fabric. The idea behind the fabric is to keep the weeds or the grass coming up through the gravel. And it also inhibits the growth of the whatever blows in, keeps your maintenance down. You can see that we're placing these pavers on a nice surface. And what we had to do to get that is we excavated the soils and put a geotextile down on the subsoil, and then we compacted about 9 inches of base to give us a nice surface to tack into. We're actually not tacking anything in. You can see the guys, they're free-forming this. That way we can come back and get the shape and get everything true the way we really want it. The other interesting thing about what we're doing is on this edging, that metal edges that you see that's going down, that's just paver edge. And instead of putting it in the right way, what we're doing is putting it in reverse, and we're setting the pavers down on top of it, just like a railroad track. The idea behind that is to keep our pavers straight and true, and it allows vehicular traffic to go over it and gives it that added strength. When we get to the end, of course, we'll clip our edging and butt it right up against the post there, and then continue right around the perimeter. Here you can see we're pulling up the pavers at about every foot, and then we're tacking the edging in with the cobbles or large nails. And then after we finish that, we'll wash everything down, and this is our finished product. Done. Join us next week in vlog number 2, where we can show you this little project. And we'll also show you in this clip why you should never fly your drone in or around trees in sports mode.